My name is Srinivasan, Managing Director of Bright Burnishing Tools. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We have internal diameter burnishing tools which can give a mirror-like surface finish on the bore directly after doing a CNC turning operation. The main advantage is you will get a mirror-like surface finish, the RA value we call it as technically, in a very quickest possible time. So directly after a boring operation, if you do this burnishing operation, you will get surface finish to the highest quality as well as the dimensional consistency in mass production. If you manufacture 1000 pieces per day, you will get all the 1000 pieces the same size and the same surface finish. And our company was started in 1987. At that time, it was in a different name. And in 1994, we have started Bright Burnishing Tools Private Limited. And we have started manufacturing these roller burnishing tools. At that time, it was an import substitute. Only the foreign companies were manufacturing such high precision products. And we developed these products in India to serve to the Indian customers. And now we are in our 39th year. And the next year, we are entering the 40th year. At the moment, we are selling our products all over India.